To our principal too, Ma'am Mirna E. Purificacion, our guests, the Education Program Supervisor, Division of Senior High School, Local, Ma'am Cezanne Epacolana, and our former Principal 2 of PCSHS, Sir Gabriel Alfonso. To the other guests, nga, dili pa kayo kung kaila kayo, maibuntag kay sa inyong tanan, sa ato ang mga teachers, students, and of course, hard-working parents. A pleasant morning to everyone. Good morning! Okay. I am truly honored to be here today as your guest speaker for this recognition day at my beloved alma mater, the Panagua City Senior High School. When Mom Sheila sent me the invitation, I was thrilled actually, but then reality set in and I thought, unsa man tawo nang ako i-share sa mga bata. Wait, I wanted to inspire you, but I wasn't sure which part of my life to share. At first, I considered talking about the sacrifices my mama and papa made just so I could finish college. I even reached out to a friend who spoke here last year for advice. But the more I reflected on it, the more I realized that the story I truly needed to share was about something that once broke me. Kabalo mo unsa? Medals and achievements. Let me begin with a quote from Nelson Mandela. The greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but in the rising every time we fall. Since kindergarten, I had always been an academic achiever. I was consistently at the top of my class. Medals and certificates became a normal part of my life, something I had grown used to. But do you know why I love earning those medals? Anong ganahan ko medals? Because it was addicting. Maka-addict. I love the sound of them clicking together as they hung around my neck. Kada gani magkiling-kiling ang inyong mga medals sa inyong mga liog. Ganahan kay ko na maminaw. O gana mga certificates ng inyong madawat unya. I proudly took pictures with them and posted them on social media. Looking back, I realized I was chasing academic validation. And there's nothing wrong with it.
Kabalo na ba sa pagkuha ba? Sa pagkuha sa audience ba?
Who may not have as many awards as you. Pero na ay confidence. Confident kay sila sa kaugalingon. Kabalo mo take og risk. And kabalo mo adapt sa environment. Kung kamo duha,
journalist yun,
nag-apply mo, same position, graduate kong suma cum laude. Kana po, yun ang medals and certificates. Pero imong kaatbang, kabalo mag-camera, kabalo mo edit, kabalo mo kisay i-hire, suma o katong daghan og skills. Ang daghan og skills, kay mo ito'y kinahanglan. Ang sumang cum laude kinahanglan pa rin mo i-train. Kay mo oras malang inahan, nag-focus. So ako kinaingon sa inyo ha, lahi o bira, pagkabalo ka, daghan kag skills. Kanang inyong research, ang inyong research mo, kung kay ano na siya, for char lang, pero dira ko nakatuon sa paggamit ng Word. Diba? Dira ko nakabalo sa paggamit ng PPT para sa kong final defense. O pag-abot dyan ako sa mga trabahoan, tigbuhat kong documents, tigbuhat kong PPT, kaya ako ang i-propose, ako ang boss. So tatanan ako ang natunan back then, gamit kayo na ako pag-abot sa ako ang trabaho. In my experience, life didn't reward me for my grades. Wala. Gi-reward ko sa kinabuhi. Tungod sa ako ang skills, sa ako ang attitude, o sa ako ang resilience. Later in life, you will realize that success is not about medals and certificates. No. It's about how you apply. Ito ginaingon ni Ma'am kaganina, Ma'am Mirna. How you apply what you have learned. I-apply ni mo karang imong natunan. Both in school and in life. To overcome challenges. To solve problems. To keep moving forward. Even when no one is watching. Even when no one is giving you an award for it. Kaysa tinuod ng kinabuhi, na amang kay gwapo nga nabuhat, pero dili kanunay ma-recognize ka. Dawat-dawat na kainana ang tinuod na kalibutan. Kaya nato na kalibutan, medyo naroon ako, naagian na nako na. Kaya dili ma-recognize ako mga hard work, naagian na nako na. Sisiw na lang ni sa ako kaya naagian na nako tanan. To all of you here today, celebrating your achievements, be proud of your hard work, and ayaw kalimti pasalamati kanunay inyuhang mama o papa. Modyo na ako ang kanunay. Ginaisip na ako mama o papa. Akong papa, mingat ko sa inyo ha, paghawa niya sa government, ang pinaka-last pay niya. Kabalo mo asa niya gihatag? Di yung kalimot, 20,000 to last money ni papa. Kabalo mo sa gibuhat, gihatag ni Papa sa kuha para sa ako ang final defense kung sabay runon ako sa akong graduation. Inana ka selfless ang inyong parents. Basta na ang katungod na sila ang anak. Kanunay dyan na, on top dyan na, priority dyan na kanunay ang ilahang mga anak. Munang mga anak, kung ang inyong mga papa o mama, kugihan, ayaw ninyo sayangin. I-take advantage na ninyo. Paan ninyo ang tanan oportunidad na pwede ninyo makuha. Kaya inyo ang papa willing kaayo mo support sa inyo. But remember, success does not end with recognition day. Keep your head high, but never lose track of yourself. Everyone will have their own unique journey as we step out of our school gates. Lahi-lahi tatanan. But you should always go through life with your feet on the ground and principles in